Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Envisalink 4. This is pretty simple. Keep in mind, this will only factory reset the password and everything else. If this is assigned to a panel, you will have to reach out to Envisalink to remove it from one panel to another. So this will only factory reset it so you can actually log in, modify it, change a couple of settings with the IP address and everything else. So that being said, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for the RST. You're going to need something to short this out. So you can use tweezers, wire. I'm going to use my screwdriver, the flat part on it. I'm going to put it right on top and try to short those two connections. So once we do that, pay attention to the lights. The lights will start to blink. Once they start blinking, that means this thing's going to be doing a reboot. Once it reboots, your system will be factory reset. So let's do this now. So I'm going to put my screwdriver over here. So I'm going to try to short this out. Pay attention to the light. Once I get a good connection, the light should start blinking, and there we go. So now we're just going to have to wait for this to reboot. Once it does, the system will be reset. And that's all to it. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.